because of intelligence gathered from Joseph Valachi and other informants. We know that Cosa Nostra is run by a commission and that the leaders of Cosa Nostra in most major cities are responsible to the commission. We know that membership in the commission varies from 9 and 12 to 12 active members, and we know who the active members of the commission are today. We know that in the past 2 years, at least 3 carefully planned commission meetings had to be called off because the leaders learned that we uncovered their well-concealed plans and their meeting places. We know that the commission makes major policy decisions for the organization, settles disputes among the families, and allocates territories of criminal operation within the organizations. For example, we now know that the meeting at Appalachian was called by a leading racketeer in an effort to resolve the problem created by the murder of Albert Anastasia. The racketeer was concerned that Anastasia had brought too many individuals not worthy of membership into the organization. To ensure the security of the organization, the racketeer wanted these men removed. A particular concern to the racketeer was that he had violated commission rules in causing the attempted assassination of Frank Costello, deposed New York rackets boss, and the murder of Anastasia. He wanted commission approval of these acts, which he has received. We know that the commission now has before it the question of whether to intercede in the Gallo-Profaci family gangland war in New York City. Gang wars produce factionalism, and continued factionalism in the underworld produces sources of information to law enforcement. Indications are that the gangland leaders will resolve the Gallo-Profaci fight. The casualty list of this one gang war alone offers a somber illustration of how cruel and calculating the underworld continues to be. Since the summer of 1961, there have been 5 persons murdered and 13 persons seriously injured. 10 of these were shot and 1 nearly strangled, 1 beaten in a New York nightclub, and 1 beaten and then thrown from a speeding car. I might say, Mr. Chairman, that both the Gallos, Larry and Joe Gallo, appeared before this committee, as did Mr. Profaci.